Today, I'll show you how to change PayPal account address to another country. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Now, before looking for the address settings, there is one important thing to know. PayPal does not usually allow you to change your account country after the account is created. PayPal's current help center says you cannot change your address to a different country or region because PayPal accounts are tied to the country used when the account was opened. If you move abroad, PayPal says you need to close your existing account and open a new account in your new country. You can still change your street address inside the same country. To do that, tap your profile icon, then go to Account Info. Tap Addresses. Choose the address you want to edit. Tap Edit, update the details, and save the change. On the PayPal website, go to Settings, find the Addresses section. From there, you can add, edit, or remove addresses. But remember, this only works for addresses in the same country or region. PayPal's help page also says you cannot change your address to another country from this section. If you move to another country, the usual process is different. First, make sure your old PayPal account has no pending payments, disputes, limitations, subscriptions, or unresolved issues. Then withdraw or transfer any available PayPal balance. Also check your transaction history and download any records you may need before closing the account. After that, go to your PayPal settings and look for the option to close your account. Follow the steps on the screen to close it. Once the old account is closed, create a new PayPal account using your new country of residence. Use your correct legal name, new address, phone number, and payment details. Make sure your bank account, card, and identity documents match the new country when possible. If you maintain residences in two countries, PayPal says you can have two PayPal accounts, as long as only one of them is a business account. So, to keep it simple, you can update your PayPal street address within the same country, but you usually cannot change your PayPal account country. If you move to another country, close the old account and open a new one in your new country. And that's how changing PayPal account address to another country works. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.